People are paying hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars for this information. But I'm going to teach you for free and how you can apply without wasting dollars or time into this. Title, description, and tags. These are the three pieces of metadata that the YouTube algorithm uses to understand what our video is about. If you use them effectively, you can easily reach the right audience and get more views. But most people don't know the correct way to use them. They put things in the title that should go in the description, write in the description what should be in the tags, and so on, which prevents their channel from growing. So, today's video topic is how to dominate YouTube with irresistible titles, SEO-filled descriptions and tags using AI. Okay, so if there is one factor among these three that is most important, it's the title. It's because the title is the first thing viewers see along with the thumbnail, and based on that, they decide whether to watch the video or not. So, it is essential to have titles that are optimized for both the YouTube algorithm and human viewers. So the first tip is short and easy to read titles. We all know that titles should have important keywords, right? Yes, they should, but it doesn't mean you should stuff the title with keywords unnecessarily. Try to keep the title under 70 characters in most cases. I'm saying this for two reasons. Firstly, it's 2023, and the average viewer's attention span has significantly reduced. When viewers scroll through YouTube, they don't have much time to read every title and thumbnail. They just glance at it, and if they feel the video is worth watching, they click. So, it's essential to have a short title that captures viewers' attention. Secondly, if the title exceeds 70 characters, like 75, 76, or 80, it will get cut off from the end. In the suggested section, titles get cut off after 40, 50 words. That's why YouTubers like MrBeast always keep their titles under 50 characters to make them easily visible on every traffic source. Now, how can we use AI to generate catchy titles? To use AI and generate catchy video titles that boost views, follow this simple two-step formula. Head to the ChatGPT website and sign in or sign up. Step 1. Provide a clear explanation of what your video is about. For example, if you are sharing your journey of uploading YouTube Shorts for 30 days to go viral and inspiring others to do the same, you can type the phrase, "Suggest a clickable title for this video" to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then provide you with 15 high-quality titles, such as "How I Went Viral on YouTube Shorts in Just 30 Days" and "YouTube Short Success, What I Learned from 30 Days of Uploads." These titles are professional and sure to pique viewers' interest. You can also set certain rules for ChatGPT to follow. For instance, if you want titles to be under 50, 55 characters, just ask ChatGPT to keep the titles short, and it will instantly provide you with titles within that limit. Similarly, if you plan to share specific steps in your video, instruct ChatGPT to include the word 5 steps in the title, and it will tailor the titles accordingly. With these AI-generated titles, you can optimize your YouTube videos to attract more viewers and boost engagement. Remember, keeping the titles short, easy to read, and relevant to the content will play a vital role in grabbing the audience's attention and driving more views to your videos. There are mixed opinions about descriptions. Some people think they are useful, while others believe they are not. I won't give my personal opinion here. I'll tell you what YouTube says about it. Go to YouTube Studio Inc. Video Details Inc. description box. There's a question symbol, and if you click on it, YouTube says, "Writing descriptions with keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search." So, descriptions are indeed important. Whatever SEO work you want to do for your video, you will do it here with keywords. Many people end up doing the descriptions job in the title. YouTube also suggests placing keywords at the beginning of the description. Let's say my video is about YouTube growth. First, I need to find other main keywords related to this topic, which I can do by searching directly on YouTube. I'll put my main keyword in the search bar, and popular keyword phrases that people are searching for will appear. I'll copy the relevant ones that match my video and add them here. Then I can add an underscore before the first word of the keyword to get more important keywords. So you can copy that as well. Once you have a list of all the important keyword phrases, now it's time to add them to the description. The 3 most important keyword phrases can be directly added at the start of the description, and you can use a slash symbol or vertical slash symbol to separate them. YouTube also suggests giving an overview of your video in the description. You can write a summary of what the video is about. However, you don't have to put too much effort into this because most viewers read the description only if there are important links or they have some confusion related to the video. The video's overview doesn't matter that much. So you can use the remaining keyword phrases here in an overview format. Just head towards ChatGPT and ask him for a video overview by just typing this: "Here are the keywords for my video. I want you to write a video description or overview using these keywords in this description or overview. Make sentences using these keywords." This way, you can optimize your video for the YouTube search engine. You can also add timestamps and relevant links if needed. Up to this point, whatever we've written in the description will vary for each video, right? But some things will remain the same for every video. This is called the default description. Just go to YouTube Studio Inc, Settings Inc, Upload Defaults, and there you'll find the description box. Whatever you write there will be automatically added every time you upload a video. So, you won't have to write everything from scratch every time. You can add important links to your channel's playlists for more views, social media links, and even a contact email for business inquiries and collaborations. YouTube also warns against keyword stuffing in the description, which means adding excessive tags to your video's description. So keep that in mind. Most YouTube tips channels focus too much on tags, which may lead new creators to think that tags are crucial for getting views. But the truth is, tags do not matter much. According to YouTube, tags have a minimal role in a video's discovery. YouTube itself says that the video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important than tags. So, YouTube is clearly stating not to focus too much on tags. Even if tags play a 0.1% role, it's still a good idea to add them. So, how to add tags? There are various ways to do it. I manually search and add tags. I looked for keyword phrases related to the video's topic, just like I did for the description. If you find it challenging, you can use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to see what tags other creators are using for similar topics and use them for your videos. Another website, rapidtags.com, allows you to enter your main keyword and it will generate useful tags for you. Remember, YouTube also suggests using tags for common misspellings or variations of your content or channel name. However, tags will be less helpful in 2023. In the past, they used to matter a lot, but not anymore. Okay, now that we have learned how to optimize our video, the question is, will doing all this bring in views? The answer is both yes and no. Proper SEO will help your video rank, but it's not the only factor. YouTube's main goal is to keep viewers on its platform, so it considers other metrics like CTR, average view duration, and retention to rank videos. If a video has a low CTR and poor watch time, even the best SEO won't help. So, focus on the right things like title, thumbnail, and engaging content. Improving these aspects will lead you to success. To go viral on YouTube in a short period of time, you should focus more on YouTube Shorts. Watch the YouTube Shorts videos, learn how to create engaging shorts, and I'll see you there. Bye.